Welcome to IslamicCreditCard.com, where we envision the future of halal payments. We offer a path to financial freedom rooted in ethical principles and unwavering transparency. Imagine a world where your financial choices align perfectly with your values. Our platform is dedicated to providing interest-free, ethical, and truly halal payment solutions for everyone. At IslamicCreditCard.com, we understand the importance of financial serenity. That's why our cards are designed with zero interest and absolutely no hidden fees, ensuring complete peace of mind. Discover IslamicCreditCard.com, the halal way to pay. No interest, no hidden fees, only transparency and financial serenity. Our commitment to ethical finance means you can enjoy deferred payments without the burden of interest. We also offer cashback in halal categories, rewarding your mindful spending. Every aspect of our offerings is ethical and transparent, providing you with clear understanding and control over your finances. We believe in empowering you with knowledge. Experience the ease of everyday transactions with IslamicCreditCard.com. From online shopping to in-store purchases, our cards integrate seamlessly into your lifestyle. Enjoy halal rewards, a smart spending dashboard, and real-time notifications that keep you informed and in control wherever your journey takes you. IslamicCreditCard.com is more than just a payment solution. It's a commitment to a principled financial future. Join us in embracing freedom without interest. Visit IslamicCreditCard.com today to explore our range of ethical financial products and begin your journey towards financial serenity.